Hey guys, what's going on? It's Brendan from WhisperNode here. Today I wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial of the various things you can do with this SEFI governance token that was dropped. First thing you're going to do is click this Use Secret Swap button up here, and that's going to bring you to the bridge page. If you're not logged into your Kepler wallet and your MetaMask wallet, you're going to get pop-ups that ask you to log into both of those. So you're going to click this SEFI tab here, and you'll see that there's two claim buttons, one for the secret network side and one for the Ethereum network side. They're two separate SEFI tokens. One is an ERC20 token on Ethereum. That would be if you were eligible doing things like providing liquidity for WSecret on SushiSwap and Uniswap. The secret network side, that would be you were eligible if you were doing things like staking secret, providing liquidity on SecretSwap, and doing things like bridge mining. So first thing I would do is click this view button here. That's going to create your viewing key for the SEFI token. Remember, SEFI is a SNP20 token, which is a private token on secret networks. So you need viewing keys to see this token. So first thing I'm going to do is click view. And it's going to pop up and add the token to my viewing keys in Kepler wallet. You can see that it's got the contract address, the name of the token, and the symbol SEFI. So I'm going to click submit. Guys, the network has been congested, so do not, I repeat, do not choose this low fee option. I would choose average or high right now if you want your transactions to go through. So I'm going to choose high here, click approve. And this will allow me to see my SEFI balance and see my SEFI tokens in my Kepler wallet and on the secret swap page and other various pages. So after that transaction goes through, you'll be able to see your SEFI balance here. There's some issues right now with viewing keys, guys. It says wrong viewing key. I'm pretty sure that viewing key transaction went through. This is just a front end UI issue. Please do not take a screenshot, send it to Telegram, and ask, what's going on? What is broken? We're well aware of this. I'm going to just ignore this for right now, and then I'll show you some ways that you might be able to fix this viewing key issue in this video, because I know a lot of you are having that problem. So to claim your tokens, you're going to click this Claim Genesis button here. I'm seeing that I have 144 SEFI tokens available to claim, and there's a check mark there. So they're available. I can claim them. If you've created that key and you have a 0 SEFI here, you may not have been eligible for the airdrop, or you may have missed the snapshot date. If you came in late 3 days before the airdrop, you might not have made the snapshot. They were taken at random times throughout the month to incentivize real users of the platform, not just people trying to get an airdrop. So I'm going to click claim here. So 144.4 SEFI. I also already have some SEFI in this wallet, just FYI. So I'm going to click claim. It's going to pop up. Again, do not choose the low option with the network congestion going on. I would choose the high option. So approve that transaction. Looks like this failed. You may also get the failed to claim message. That's okay. That just means your transaction might have failed due to the problems that are going on. Alright guys, you can see now that after I refreshed the page and tried that claim again, the claim was successful. I got this message here. The message popped up. For a second I could see my SEFI balance. It's saying wrong viewing key again. We're well aware there's some issues right now. They're being worked through, but that transaction was successful. I saw the message. If I go to my Kepler wallet, I know I created my viewing key. You can see there's the SEFI viewing key right here, and it should pop up with my balance in a second here. I just claimed 144 SEFI. I already had like 180 something in my wallet, so my total balance now is 330 SEFI. So that was successful. So it says I have 330 in my Kepler wallet. Now the front end is updating. It's showing the right total. So there you go. You can see they match. Again, there's some issues in communication here. They're typically not issues on the chain. There we go. The balance just is reflecting a different total now. So let's not worry about that. Let's move on. We've claimed our SEFI. Now let's see what else we can do with this SEFI and with providing liquidity and whatnot. So once you have your SEFI, there's different things you can do with it. You can stake it and earn this 341 APY, really high APYs right now. You could also, let's see, you could, if you had Secret and SEFI, you could liquidity provide with that and earn 1,248% APY. So why don't we see what happens if I provide liquidity for Secret and SEFI? So I'm going to need both of those in my wallet. Let's see what I have here. I definitely had 330 SEFI and one of my secret balance. So I don't have very much secret right now. So I have 300 regular secret. So let me convert some of this regular secret into secret so I can liquidity provide. So I'm going to click this stake button here. That's going to bring up the Kepler page. Ooh, looks like Kepler's doing a cool update here. That's new. And I'm going to click Secret Network and then click this Secret button. And I can convert some regular secret into secret. So I'm going to do, let's do 150. That should be plenty. So click Convert. Again, I'll choose the high right now because the network's a little congested. And bang, you can see now I have a secret balance of about 150. So now I have regular secret, I have secret, and I have SEFI. So let's do some things with those. First, we're going to LP for secret and SEFI. So to do that, I'm going to go to the swap page, and I'm going to select the SEFI token here. I've already created my viewing key for that when I swapped, and I can show you guys how to create a viewing key in general. I'll do that in a separate video. So, all right, I've got 150 secret and 330 SEFI. So I want to provide liquidity, so I'm going to click this provide button. I'm going to stake some of the SEFI as well to show you guys that. So let's do 230 SEFI, which I need to provide the other side of that, which is 13.3 secret. All right, so I'm going to approve the SEFI interaction on my Kepler wallet here. All right, I'm getting an error. Again, this is probably the front end issues that are going on. No big deal, just be patient. Don't spam the network. Maybe try again. All right, that time it was successful. I'm going to do the same with my secret. All right, that one went through with no problem. There's this your current share of the pool here. That also needs a viewing key. So that's going to allow you to see your LP tokens. So I'm going to click view here, and that's going to bring up the contract address for those pool LP tokens. And you can see secret swap liquidity provider token for that contract, swap LP. I'm going to click submit. I'm going to click the high option and approve that. All right, looks like that went through okay. It didn't update on the front end, but that's all right. I'm going to click provide. Choose that high option, click approve. All right, there was an error, no big deal. No need to screenshot it, put it in the chat. We know there's issues. Just be patient. I can try it again. All right, guys, so I refreshed the page to try to make that what I thought was that failed transaction go through. When I refreshed the page, it turns out that that transaction actually did go through. So it seems sometimes the transactions are going through even though you're getting those crazy errors. Now, when I go up to my Kepler wallet now, I want to show you guys something here. What I want to show you is now I have this swap LP token. I believe it's the bottom one actually. Yeah, see this 54 swap LP token? That LP token is showing my balance in the SEFI, my share of the SEFI secret pool. So now that I have that swap LP token, I can go back to the SEFI page, and I have this LP token now. So I can now stake that token and earn 1,237% annually on that token. See, it pulls up my 54 swapped LP tokens, and I'm going to stake all of that. Click the earn button here. All right, I'm getting this error. I don't actually know if that was truly an error or not. So I'm going to click on my Kepler wallet and see what's up with these swap LP tokens at the bottom here. If my balance now says 0, it's likely that those were deposited in the contract. All right, so it looks like that's still saying 50. Oh, nope. There you go. See? Okay, my swap LP token balance went to 0 when I brought up the wallet. It also went to 0 on the front end. So that transaction, even though it popped up there, it was successful. All right. Now, to see the rewards that I'm getting from that pool, I need to click this View Balance button. And this is going to allow me to see my SEFI that I'm earning from being in this pool. You can see here there's been a lot of questions in Telegram as well. What are these SPY tokens, or this SPY thing in my Kepler wallet? So the SPY symbol, SPY SEFI, SPY secret SEFI, SPY secret BTC. What that viewing key is letting you see your rewards in SEFI from putting your LP in the pool. It's just kind of like it's like a counting mechanism. So it's not a balance of any token or anything like that. So I'm going to click submit there. All right, and looks like I created a viewing key. You can see again, this front end, the view balance thing hasn't updated yet. Another option that helps with the viewing key sometimes is just refreshing the page. So let's see if that does anything. So I was in the secret SEFI pool. And there you go. See, I refreshed the page, and now my balance of SEFI that's accruing is showing. My locked LP tokens, 54 here, is showing. My available balance of the LP tokens is 0 because they're locked in this contract, right? So now I'm earning SEFI by providing liquidity for secret SEFI pair on secret swap. I can claim those rewards by clicking this claim rewards button here, and that will claim these SEFI rewards. So let's click that to claim those and show you how to do that. All right, so I successfully claimed those rewards. It does not reflect immediately on this page, most likely. If you give it some time, it probably will. Again, another option is you can refresh the page. Go back to my pool here. Let's see if it works this time. And this time it works. So now you can see that the balance I had before was claimed, and now my balance is much lower, but it's continuously accruing at a pretty high rate because of this APY here. So that is how to provide liquidity in a secret swap pair, get the LP tokens, and then stake those LP tokens to earn very high APY. You can see there's some that are still over 1,000 here. I hope this video helped. I hope my patience with some of these errors shows you guys that if you just remain patient, remain calm, that you can work through them. So I will make a better tutorial when the network's working a little bit better. But for now, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.